Hi, I am Todd. From ERP Factory Soft Company. We are the manufacturing ERP, MRP and production scheduling software provider in Thailand. Today, we would like to present the functionality of another software besides our main production ERP MPS MRP software that call NetSys ERP MRP System in Brift. NetSys Scheduler System is our graphical production scheduling or advanced planning software package. Production scheduling is important and is used in every industry. Whether it is the production discrete production. For example, the production in automotive industry parts or assembly parts. Electronic parts industry, or others. And the production plant that is a continuous process, such as the pharmaceutical, beer, beverage or packaging industry and etc. In this example, we will show the production scheduling software to the calculation for assembly part factory, and the demonstration is a multi-process model, or we call job shop. By infinite and forward scheduling method with terms arranged by due date method in order to maximize the number of jobs produced before the deadline due date or earliest due date. Let's start. When we click load data, the system will pull all jobs to show here. Suppose that our work is product, item code name B and C, and total all jobs are 12. After that, when we click the scheduling button for starting the software to calculate the job sequencing of each product to suit every machine and the most optimized in every process first. So, we can see that each job will be arranged or sequenced to the most suitable machine for each product and each process as their routing. We have 3 machines of the blank machine or stamping machine process, which are SDMC01, SDMC02, and SDMC03 are available. Now, we look at lot number, A1794-1 in detail. This work order or job goes through 5 processes, namely: first, blank process; second, pairs process; third, pairs 2 process; fourth, forming 2 process; fifth, IPQC process; and final process is keeping stock at warehouse name as NT. But in the forming process, every job must do this process. But there is only one machine in this process, the SDMC04 machine. From this scheduling we can see that now bottleneck of this production example. It seems to be on this SDMC04 machine. we can see that the software calculates the shortest and most suitable working time in each process. For the use of working time in every process as continuously as possible right now, the end time for all 12 lots is on September 21st at around 9 p.m. In the report, we can see that of all these jobs which ones are either on time or not in time. What if analysis, that is, we can simulate or modify the production schedule. If we are going to move some jobs in machines, will all the work still be on time for the deadline? We can adjust these production scheduling to be suitable for the current situation by simply dragging and dropping the desired jobs to the new machine. Now, we assume that all of these tasks are still due. And I want to know if we want to reduce blank process machines using to be only 2 machines instead 3 machines, will all work still be on time for delivery or not? NetSys Scheduler system automatically reorders all tasks in every process in an instant, by still checking the accuracy of the machine constraints with each product, and other conditions that we have prepared in advance. If we move the job to the new machine that cannot suitable produce that product, the system will notify or alert you not to take any further action to prevent errors. But now we interest in moving features, so we ignore this first. Or sometimes we get requests from the marketing department to expedite certain tasks to deliver goods or carry out production faster, or in circumstances such as some machines suddenly break down or other situations. The planner can move the job or work order to the new machine as his desire. The software will auto-adjustment plan automatically. Alright, until we change the plan is finished. We will save this plan and send it to the production department to do as plan. Alright, so we can see that the NetSys Scheduler system still provides us with the convenience of scheduling and optimizing our production balance lines as well. In addition, in fact, we have a lot of jobs data. So we can change the perspective to a wider view. For example, we can choose to view in different views such as daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly view depending on our selection. The NetSys Scheduler is the tooling software for planners in every industry. Production scheduling software also has many other features. For example, many types of scheduling methods. both of forwarding and backward scheduling methods, for example ED, FCFS, STPT, the most values jobs and lowest cost, etc. Production scheduling by priority job. Scheduling graph, viewing status of all late jobs and in-time jobs. What if analysis. The comparison of multiple production schedule plans feature. Scheduling calculation to reduce machine setup time. And the production scheduling software system for continuous process manufacture such as the pharmaceutical, beer, beverage or packaging industry and etc. Customers can select the choice of manufacturer implementation. 1. NetSys Scheduler software package as tooling software for production scheduling planning. 2. Full system of NetSys ERP MRP system and NetSys Scheduler. 3. Linking to NetSys ERP MRP software system or other worldwide ERP MPS MRP systems such as SAP, etc. Thank you for watching.